guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the text tracking feature on a CapCut PC. I'm just going to try to find a video here real quick. Don't have a lot, do I? Don't have a lot to work with apparently. Actually I'm just going to select this video. And I'm just going to add in default text. And I'm just going to type in magnet. And I'm going to change the font as well. And the color so you can actually see it. Maybe add in like a glow or something like that. Like a lighter glow. Maybe like this. And maybe I want to track it to her face. So I'm just going to try to track it here. Tracking, motion tracking, and I'm just going to place the tracking to her face here. And then I'm just going to turn off scale. And I'm going to press start and it's going to start tracking. And it does take a few minutes to track, so I think I'm just going to press cancel and show you guys. Well, you can like clearly see it here. But that's how you can text track in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!